Jerald Napoles, born March 2, 1983, is a Filipino actor and comedian. He is known for his role as Tolits in the musical stage play Aegis. He was previously a talent of AAA Management and worked for GMA Network. He hosted and starred in the defunct weekly variety show Sunday Pinasaya. Napoles signed with Viva Artists Agency in November 2019, joining his longtime partner Kim Molina. He later joined the primetime series Aegis Provinciano, marking his return on ABS-CBN. Personal life: Jerald Napoles finished high school at Florentino Torres High School in Gagalangan, Tondo, Manila. He studied chemical engineering at the Pamantasan Ng Lungsod Ng Manila, but did not graduate. Napoles got his big theater break in 2014 when he landed the role of Tolits in the comedy musical Aegis, where he received rave reviews from critics about his performance. He also played a meteor role on television when he transferred to GMA Network with his first project as Macario Sakai in the historical drama series Katipunan. The following year, Napoles was included as co-host in the weekly variety show of GMA Network entitled Sunday Pinasaya, along with primetime Queen Marian Rivera, comedy Queen Ai Delis Alas, and the comic duos A Manalo and Whaley Bayola. He was also in the cast of My Faithful Husband, playing the role of Mars, the gay confidant of the lead character, Emin, played by Dennis Trillo. For a short period of time, Napoles was among the 3 celebrity bluffers in the season finale of the late-night comedy game show Celebrity Bluff. He became part of the romantic comedy series That's My Amboy as Taupe. He left GMA and returned ABS-CBN at the end of 2019. His first stint in ABS-CBN was in FPJ's Aegis Provinciano, where he currently portrays Jimbo Padua, a guest character. In August 2024, Napoles and Kim Molina announced their engagement 10 years after they first met at the Pitta Theater. They eventually married on March 1st, 2026. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.